That hair is supposed to stand away from the body, and look at the way it is standing away from the body. That's also part grooming. Who prepared this cat just made it just right. Now the little exotic has the same type as a Persian, but it's a short coat or plush. Stand away from the body coat. Also, the exotics are very difficult because there's nothing that you can hide. What you see is what you get. You can't hide ears, you can't hide anything because there's no coat to do it with. That body length, I mean, you can just see it. Short little cobby body, look at that little kitten, just wrote that standard. Look at that little short tail that matches it. Lovely little copper eyes. Oh, extra points. Look at that. Somebody has taught this kitten well how to make up to the judge. No, I'm just kidding. They don't get extra points, but it's lovely to see that they present themselves, they show themselves well to you. That way you can really evaluate them and appreciate their beauty. Look at that little kitten. Just dancing on that table. 4-month-old. Look at that. You know that's what you want to do. Go do it. Yeah, there you go.
Can't wait to see that one in the Christmas tree.
Hospitality, please.
Beautiful type. Just Purrelli. Oh.
Bring ready for the balance, a little up here, change.